Good morning. Welcome again to Morning Devotions. Thank you again so much for our time together. Right now, I want you to come back with me to the book of 2 John, verse 12. Listen to the Apostle John. Though I have much to write to you, I would rather not use paper and ink. Instead, I hope to come to you and talk face to face so that our joy may be complete. Now look over just a few pages to 3 John, verse 13. I had much to write to you, but I would rather not write with pen and ink. I hope to see you soon, and we will talk face to face. We live in a world full of technology, and people laugh at me and call me a geek because I love technology and how it allows me to be productive. But sometimes, brothers and sisters, I think technology has gotten in the way of real relationships. Young people call people on Facebook friends. Those aren't friends. Sometimes they're your enemies that are spying on you and stalking you. But brothers and sisters, relationships are real. God spoke to Moses as a friend, the Bible says, face to face. May I please encourage you, put away the technology. Please forgive me. Put away the cell phones. Put away the Viber. Put away the Facebook Messenger. Put away the WhatsApp. And begin to talk face to face with your family. Begin to talk face to face with your friends. Maybe when you friends get together and you sit down, make your joy complete. Take your cell phones, put them in your pockets, turn them off. Don't even put them on silent. Turn them off. Because if you put it on silent, they buzz in your pocket and you go, oh, 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 and you start manifesting until you reach for your cell phone. But may I please encourage you, put the technology away and learn the joy of talking face to face. That's real relationships.